Another day, another life as cafe owner. Hi guys, it's me Dayan, owner of Dayanara Cafe. So today is Sunday and we are closed for today because we are working with BM Gallery for a product photo shoot ng ating mga coffee, milk teas, and burgers. So, yung unang product na i-shoot natin is yung ating coffee. So ang ganda ng atake na ginawa nila dito. So nilagyan nila ng beans at saka may pabuhos effect. So ang ganda ng final shot nito. Makikita niyo yan sa ating page. Sa page po ng BM Gallery. And while we are doing this photo shoot, may pumasok na customer para daw mag-order. So sabi ko close kami. Pero sige na nga. So ayan, ang ganda rin tong shot na yan. Buwis buhay. Nakapatong siya. Pero I love this kasi yung concept and yung kinuha niya is nagustuhan ko talaga. Very simple lang, elegant, and ayun. So, si ate tuwan-tuwa kasi yung milk tea gustong gusto daw niya. So, balik-balik siya dito daw. Masarap daw talaga yung milk tea. Ayan, si madam nag-order din. So, yung final shot is may kitin na rin sa FB page. So, 10 PM na yan at ngayon pa lang ako magdi-dinner and lunch. So, yun lang guys. Bye-bye!